What is your name?
My name is Thắng.
Okay, and how can I call you?
Yes.
How can I call you? Do you have nickname? Other
My code name is Thắng Nguyễn.
And then let's go to the first part of our speaking practice. So part 1, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like cooking?
I like cooking.
How often do you eat at the restaurant?
No. Teacher.
Okay. How often do you eat at the restaurant?
No. I often eat at home.
Okay. So you don't eat at the restaurant? You don't eat?
No.
Okay. Which do you prefer? Sweet food or salty food? Do you like salty or do you like sweet foods? Or you like spicy? Spicy foods?
Yeah.
You like
I
spicy
love
food?
spicy food.
Okay. And what is your favorite meal of the day?
I love my favorite food, spaghetti.
Spaghetti. But what is your favorite meal? Is it breakfast, dinner, lunch, or dinner?
Teacher, repeat.
Okay. What is your favorite meal of the day? Do you like breakfast? Do you like lunch? Or do you like dinner?
I eat spaghetti in the dinner.
Okay. Next, let's go to the second part of our test. So for this part, I will give you 1 minute to prepare and then 2 minutes to speak. Okay? So this is your paper. You can take your notes. And your 1 minute starts now.
The best food bún bò Huế in my country, is noodle bún bò Huế. City noodle bún bò Huế have a mix noodle soup and vegetable. It's image Huế city people eat lunch, breakfast, dinner, and every day. It's the best because bún bò Huế very yummy and delicious. That's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, why do you think this food is the best?
I think bún bò Huế
Why is it the best?
very yummy and delicious.
Okay, is it healthy or unhealthy?
I think bún bò Huế healthy.
Healthy, okay. Is it easy to cook at home?
Oh no.
No.
Is my is bún bò Huế in restaurant.
Okay, if I want to eat one more, where can I find that food?
Teacher.
Where can I find that? What place? Is it in the restaurant?
Where?
Yes, where? If I want to eat that, where can I find that? Where can I find that?
Where?
Yes. Is it in the restaurant or?
I eat bún bò Huế in a restaurant.
Restaurant. Okay, thank you. That's it for our speaking.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so that's it. Please call.